Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Shooter. Aim at clusters of the same color to clear bubbles quickly, use bank shots off walls to reach tricky spots, and prioritize the top rows to drop large groups. Track upcoming bubble colors, use power-ups when stacked bubbles threaten, and stay calm as levels speed up. Practice angle control and timing for repeatable success and higher scores. Start with basic aiming techniques and build skill progressively. Line up shots with the bubble tip indicator, visualize the path, and practice soft taps for subtle angle changes. Use wall banks for indirect shots, count colors ahead to plan combos, and clear connectors to drop clusters quickly. Keep cool under pressure, adapt when the cue changes, and reward small improvements for steady score growth. Quick recommendation: if you like staying hydrated during long play sessions, the Owala water bottle is compact, leak-proof, and keeps drinks cold. It's an affordable, stylish choice that fits cup holders and gym bags. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a cooler drink between rounds to stay focused and refreshed. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on strategic play to maximize points and board control. Target bubbles that hold up large sections to create drops, save power-ups for tight spots, and use color clears when multiple groups align. Switch between aggressive clearing and defensive plays when the ceiling approaches, and manage the cue to avoid unwanted colors. Practice risk assessment on each shot, learn common level patterns, and celebrate small tactical wins to build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.